The aim of this project is to provide a system to visualize the bus patterns of Tempe, Arizona. The application provides an overview of all the major bus routes that go through the city. Each route has additional information, such as estimated arrivals, that can be viewed on demand. To help with the user's decision to get to a bus stop and where to travel after getting off the bus, the project includes a view of Tempe's traffic. This system is intended to help Tempe bus users and transit engineers/administrators find efficient routes in terms of traffic, time, and the intended destination. The primary point of focus in our visualization is the Google Maps view, which initializes to display the area around Tempe, Arizona. A user who is new to the area may want to look at routes close to where they live, go to school, or work in order to determine the nearest bus stop in terms of riding to and from school and work. Clicking on a button associated with a route displays a color-coded line corresponding to that route's path along city streets, as well as bus icons that correspond to major bus stops. These major bus stops are used by Valley Metro to communicate scheduling information and to determine whether any given bus is running late. By zooming into a route on the Google map, the user can see many more minor bus stops along that route. Thus, the user can locate the best bus stop and can determine how far they will have to walk, thereby accounting for the travel time cost of walking. Meanwhile, after the user has clicked the button associated with the route, the sidebar displays detailed information about ridership, route flow of average travel times for each direction of the route, and a legend with bus and pointer icons corresponding to bus stop and bus vehicle locations, respectively. The user can seek more information about ridership statistics by clicking on the buttons that correspond to weekdays or weekend, which will open up a more elaborate bar chart showing ridership information for all the routes together, where the bar for each route is again color coordinated with the route's button and path color. Perhaps the user may be in a hurry and wondering when the next bus will arrive. Our visualization shows the location of all buses along a route in real time, updated every 15 seconds from the Valley Metro GTFS API, so a user can find out exactly how far the next arriving bus is. By looking at the average travel time in the sidebar, the user can infer how long it will take the bus to arrive at their present location, and perhaps make a decision as to what bus stop to walk to in order to get on the earliest available bus. If a user such as a transit engineer is seeking highly detailed information about the travel times and route congestion for any particular route, they can click on the Schedule button. This will display a Mary's diagram to the left of the Google map, which converts the daily schedule of a route into a line chart for all the buses on that route. In order to help the user read the Mary's diagram better, we made the lines for each direction black and red, respectively. The Mary's diagram is a powerful tool for intuitive visualization of traffic flow and bottlenecks. One delayed bus in the schedule can delay many other buses along the same route, which would be reflected in the Mary's diagram as lines pressing together with shallower slopes. The transit engineer may want to further investigate the cause of the delay and could do so by clicking on the Traffic button. The engineer may find that a traffic accident may have shut down a certain road to one lane, accounting for the delays. On the other hand, the engineer may also find that a highly attended sporting event just let out around the time that the delays seem to have started, resulting in many cars flooding the city streets of Tempe all at once, bogging down traffic flow in every direction away from Tempe. Likewise, if a user who is a prospective passenger is seeking more information about average traffic congestion on a given day of the week, they're able to click on the Traffic button. A new overlay of colored lines will be added to the city streets of the Google map, classifying city streets as green, orange, or red, corresponding to normal travel times, moderate traffic, and heavy traffic, respectively. This lets the rider know how to plan their route so they can avoid those areas of congestion, both while riding on the bus and when departing the bus to continue the rest of their route to their destination.